Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be trying out a new product, which is elbow grease oven and grill cleaner. So this is my first time actually trying this out, and I am hopeful that it will do an amazing job. And yeah, I'm just going to give you guys an honest review on this. And so it is the elbow grease oven and grill cleaner. It says it cuts through grease, grime and dirt and removes burnt on deposits. The only cleaner you'll ever need. So it says it works on grills and the oven. I have cleaned everybody else's oven in my family but my own, so I'm going to be tackling my own today. And I do not even want to tell you when the last time I cleaned this. So yeah, we're going to begin by taking off this don't know what it's called actually. I forgot what it's called. I would like to say it is not that bad, but yeah, it is quite bad. So squeeze, pop open. It's got a spray nozzle, so oh, having the windows widely open so that any fumes can obviously come out and you don't choke on this. So that's what our spray bottle currently looks like. So we have sprayed, and so we'll need to leave this up to 30 minutes with the door closed. Wipe with a wet cloth. And if the stains are quite stubborn, you need to repeat the process again. So yeah, so always read the instructions which are written at the back. I'm gonna close this and come back in 30 minutes. I completely forgot to show you guys how the inside of the oven looks like before I sprayed, but I just quickly thought I'll quickly show you guys before everything starts just melting away. Honestly, I thought it's bad, but it's not too bad. But yeah, I hope you can see. Hopefully you can see a good before and after. 30 minutes is up, so we're going to tackle the oven now. Cleaning caddy, which has got water on both sides. So it looks like quite a lot of stuff has dissolved off the top rack. It's looking less greasy and brown. It's starting to look a bit more silver. Honestly, I'm quite impressed with that. I know I haven't done much, but currently quite impressed. I have just brought my ring light, and as you can see, the main areas that are needing more attention are just the edges around here, and everywhere else is honestly everything has dissolved, and I'm so impressed with that. So I'm going to spray it again, and I'm also going to spray it on the racks. What I am currently impressed by, it does not have that strong fumey scent that normally comes with like oven cleaner. I've already got my windows wide open. You know that scent that comes with this oven cleaning. All the other areas that also needed attention. I shall leave it again for about 20 minutes and be back soon. Most of it is actually dissolving really well, but I don't really have the extra 30 minutes, so I'm going to get my scrubber, my sonic scrubber, and hopefully that can speed up the process. Done the best I can with the sonic scrubber, and I'm just going to wipe off all the product. This is the second time I'm like doing this process. Yeah, it's worked, but if I was to use other cleaning products, the second time everything would literally be lifted off. Because this looks like I would have to try and do a third time, and I feel like yes, it's good, but it might not just be as strong as all the other cleaning products out there. I think it's best for like your light ovens that are not too greasy and not too you know, not too bad, the ones that are done every week type of maintenance. But if you are looking for heavy duty oven cleaning which has not been done, like an oven which has not been cleaned in like, God, let's say 3 months or even more, this would be the long way to do it, because it's not as powerful compared to, for example, Mr. Muscle. But it does not have that strong, horrible scent that normally comes with like oven cleaners. So on that aspect, I really do like it. But I just feel like for majority of people who don't have time to clean an oven, this would not be the first thing I would grab, if that makes sense. And even these are okay, but it's done a good job, I suppose, but it's not what I expect from an oven cleaner. This should be like, this is the second time I think, and it's not everything's come off. So I'm just gonna put it in the sink and then hopefully scrub it off. So to speed this up, I'm just going to grab washing up liquid and my scourer, and then just this is what it looks like. A really good job. There's just still a little few minor bits here and there, but I guess if I gave it more time done today, I am pleased. Am I happy? No, not really, but I am pleased. It is miles better than what it looked like when I first began cleaning this oven today. This is the best that I could do with the time that I have to scrub these. They are definitely not perfect. I think they could use a little bit more time, but with the elbow grease spray, I feel like I mentioned earlier, it works really well. But if you've got heavy duty grease and burnt on food like this, I feel like it's not really removing it as fast as I would have liked for it to. I've repeated the process twice with other cleaning products, you know, would remove, by the time you get the second trial, it will be completely removed. So do I think it's bad? I think it's a fantastic product, to be fair. It works really well, I think, on lighter stains. If your oven is just got everyday maintenance, you know, you clean your oven every week, I think this would be really good to make sure that you maintain the standard of cleanliness that you need. But if it's like heavy duty, I would recommend something else. I will try it on a different oven and I'll let you guys know. But currently, with the way mine was, I just feel like it did a good job, but a good enough job, if that makes sense. But not to the required standard that I would get if I was using something like Mr. Muscle or something else. So overall, I think it's done a good job. These would require something like the pink stuff. I'll probably go over these again with the pink stuff another time, but other than that, I think it's done a great job. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more content and some more videos on reviews on products. I try them out for you before you do, and then you let me know if they worked for you. So that is it for me. I hope you guys have a lovely day.